Hi guys, my name
Hi,
is
I'm Katie
Krista, the
B
Yogi Mermaid.
at
I'm one of the
Infinite
teachers here with
Monkey
Denver Yoga
Serum with
Social.
Denver Yoga
We are here in the
Social to
beautiful
teach y'all
Catskill Farm, just
pyramid
one of the many
pose,
cool, unique places that we have
Parsvottanasana.
the fortunate
It's a standing
ability
pose
to
that's going
flow
to
with all
work
of
your
you here in Denver.
hamstrings.
Today I'm
So
going to
if
be
this is
working
your
with you
first
on
time trying it
Malasana
out,
or
I
Yogi
suggest you
Squat.
bring
This
blocks or
is
maybe two
a
water bottles
foundational
to give
movement
yourself a
pattern that
little bit
helps to
of a
support
cushion in
healthy
the
hip,
elevation for
ankle,
your
and knee
balance.
function. It
You're
also
going to
helps to
bring one
support
foot forward
a
and 1 foot
proper
back,
pelvic floor
a couple
function,
of
as
feet
well as digestion
behind the
and
front foot
elimination through a
to
slight gentle
increase
compression
the
of the
difficulty of
abdomen.
the pose.
So to
You
get into
can widen
Malasana, we
your
can start
stance.
with a standing
Make
posture
sure that
like
your feet are
Tadasana
on
mountain
two
pose.
separate train
Feet
tracks
are
for
hips width
stability,
distance, toes are
both
slightly
toes
turned
facing
out,
forward,
hands
or you
in
can
prayer, and we're
choose
just going to
to
bend our knees
slightly
and lower
out-turn
all the
that
way
back
down,
foot for
keeping a nice long
stability. It's
spine.
up to
Now,
you.
if your heels lift here,
When
that is
you're
completely
ready,
okay.
inhale,
You can
reach
actually
up.
take your mat and fold it up, or have a towel or blanket and
Exhale,
place those under
hinge
your heels to
forward.
help give you
As
more
you
support.
hinge forward,
If you have something like a
push
block,
into
just
the
place
front
the
big
block
toe
underneath you to,
so
again, help
that
support
your
you.
hips are
And we're going to take our
square.
elbows and we're just going to use
Bring the
them to
hands down
press
to
our
your
knees apart
blocks or
with a
bring them
gentle
down to
opening,
the
keeping it
floor.
wide, widening
Wherever
through the
you
chest
are,
and the
pull
collarbone.
your tailbone
Lift the
tall
sternum, take a deep
and
inhale for
reach
length,
through your
and
crown.
exhale to sit
To
a little bit
increase the
deeper.
difficulty,
And
you
that
can
is your
bring your
Malasana.
forehead
Be sure to try this
to
one
your
out and tag
shin.
Denver Yoga.
And if you'd like a little bit more, maybe you bring your hands